guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Jessie, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So yeah guys, and so today is Independence Day guys, so I'm thinking of to go to Dudia with my friends. And yeah, the view is also very nice here today. The weather is also good. So yeah guys, happy Independence Day to all of my viewers and my subscribers. So yeah, just stay till the end of this video. Look guys, it started raining really heavily and everybody is just sitting under the tree. So guys, we couldn't make it to the Dudia because it rained so heavily. But now it's like weather is clear, it's sunny over here. But what can we do? We do not want to take risk. No, there are so many jams over there. So it's a hilly area. That's why anything can be happen because there will be many people, many drunk people, you know. So safety comes first. So we did not make it to Dudia because of rain. So yeah, now we are returning home, guys. Like, oh, yeah. Yo, look at the view, guys. Wow. Just see there. So yeah guys, I hope you liked my video. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, today I thought that we'll go to Dudia and have some fun, but because of this rain it couldn't be possible. So yeah guys, so this is the end of the video. I'm ending over here. And yeah guys, so meet you in my next video. So stay tuned guys, just subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell also. And yeah guys, bye, take care, stay safe. Mwah, love you guys.